Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best gaming mini PCs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the ROG Knuck 760 Full System Mini PC from Asus. This powerhouse is designed with gamers in mind, featuring the latest 14th Gen Intel Core Ultra 7 155H processor, paired with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 discrete graphics. With 16GB DDR5 RAM and a 1TB PCIe NVMe SSD, this mini PC delivers exceptional performance for even the most demanding games and applications. Plus, it comes with ARGB lighting and a vertical stand for that extra bit of flair. The design of the ROG Knuck 760 is sleek and compact, with its unique 2.5-liter form factor allowing for flexible setups, either vertically or horizontally. The build quality is top-notch, as expected from Asus, and the inclusion of Aura Sync software makes the lighting customizable to match your gaming setup. However, its heavier weight at 6.39 pounds might not be ideal for portability. While this mini PC is packed with powerful features, the pricing might be a turnoff for budget-conscious gamers. It's a premium machine that excels in performance, but is on the pricier side. If you're looking for raw power and cutting-edge technology for high-end gaming, the ROG Knuck 760 is worth considering. However, the overall value proposition might not appeal to those who prioritize affordability over premium features. Coming in at number 4, we have the Ace Magician K1 Mini Gaming PC. This compact yet efficient device is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 5700U processor with 8 cores and Radeon RX Vega graphics, making it a solid choice for gamers who enjoy titles like PUBG, GTA 5, and Dota 2. It supports triple 4K displays via HDMI, DisplayPort, and Type-C, ensuring an immersive visual experience whether you're gaming or multitasking. The K1 Mini PC shines with its practical design and lightweight build, weighing just 2.27 pounds. It includes 16GB DDR4 RAM and a 512GB SSD, which can be expanded to 2 TB if needed. Additionally, the dual RJ45 ports deliver fast network speeds for seamless online gaming and streaming. However, the integrated graphics may limit its capabilities for graphics-intensive AAA games. Priced at $249, the Ace Magician K1 packs a surprising amount of value for its cost, making it an excellent choice for casual gamers or those looking for a versatile mini PC for work and entertainment. Its competitive pricing and reliable performance make it a smart pick for budget-conscious buyers. At number 3, we have the Boss Game P4 Light Gaming Mini PC. Boasting an AMD Ryzen 7 5700U processor with Radeon graphics clocked at 1900 MHz, this mini PC is ideal for light gaming and design tasks. It's capable of running software like Photoshop and CAD, and even supports PS3 emulators for retro gaming enthusiasts. The 32GB DDR4 RAM and 1TB PCIe SSD ensure smooth multitasking and ample storage space. The Boss Game P4 impresses with its thoughtful design, featuring triple display support via HDMI, DisplayPort, and Type-C. The dual LAN ports and Wi-Fi 6E technology ensure stable and fast connectivity, making it suitable as a gaming PC or even a network server. However, its 2.2-pound weight and slightly bulkier dimensions might not be as portable as other options on this list. Priced at $399.99, the Boss Game P4 strikes a balance between performance and affordability. It's perfect for gamers and professionals who need a versatile mini PC for both work and leisure. The inclusion of reliable after-sales support and certifications adds to its appeal as a dependable choice. At number 2, we have the GMK M5 Plus Gaming Mini PC, powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 5825U processor, which offers a 35% performance boost over its predecessor. This mini PC delivers impressive results in productivity tasks and mid-range gaming. With 32GB DDR4 RAM and a 1TB PCIe SSD, it's built for smooth multitasking and storage expansion up to 4TB. The M5 Plus stands out with its dual NIC LAN ports, supporting data speeds of up to 2.5 gigabits and Wi-Fi 6E for fast, low-latency connectivity. The triple 4K display capability is a game-changer for users needing multiple monitors for work or gaming. Its lightweight design at just 1.1 pounds makes it one of the most portable options on this list. Priced at $327.99, the GMK M5 Plus offers great value for its performance and features. It's a solid choice for gamers seeking a balance of power and affordability, as well as professionals looking for a compact, high-performing workstation. And finally, at the top of our list at number 1, we have the GMK Mini PC Gaming K6. This premium mini PC is equipped with the AMD Ryzen 7 7840HS processor with Radeon 780M 12-core graphics, delivering performance comparable to an NVIDIA GTX 1650 Ti. With 32GB DDR5 RAM and a 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD. It's designed for heavy-duty gaming, video editing, and multitasking. The K6 features cutting-edge USB 4.0 technology for lightning-fast transfer speeds and 8K display capabilities. Its triple screen support via HDMI, DisplayPort, and Type-C ensures versatility, while dual 2.5 gigabits per second LAN ports and Wi-Fi 6E provide robust connectivity. The compact design, weighing just 12.6 ounces, makes it incredibly portable for users on the go. Priced at $479.99, the GMK K6 is the ultimate gaming mini PC for those who demand the best. It's perfect for gamers, creatives, and professionals who need top-tier performance in a compact form factor. While the price is on the higher side, the cutting-edge features and impeccable build quality make it well worth the investment. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.